Big I, little I.
Egg, egg. Pig, pig. Wig, wig. Fig, fig. Big, big. Look, Ted said. A pig in a wig. He is big, Jan said. He has a fig, Sam said. The pig did a jig. I like the pig, Sam said. I like his jig, Jan said. Ted did not like the pig. He did not like his jig. The pig got down. He went to Ted. Do the jig, said the pig. Yes, said Jan and Sam. No, said Ted. In, in. Fin, fin. Bin, bin. Pin, pin. Win, win. Dot saw the tin shop. "Let's go in," she said. Dot went to a bin. She saw a pin. She saw a thin. Dan went in too. He did not see the bin. He did not see the pin. He did not see the fin. He saw some tin cans. "Look, Dot," said Dan. "I win." "I win too," said Dot. I, d, id, id. K, I, d, kid, kid. I, d, lid, lid. S, I, d, sid, sid. H, I, d, hid, hid. What did the kid do? The kid ran and hid. Where did the kid go? The kid hid in a pot. The pot had a lid. What did Pip do? Pip hid with the kid. What did Sid do? Sid saw the kid. Then Sid got the lid.